A very warm day everyone. This is you Ashwini, addressing from SLU English Medium School. Dealing with subject English of class 3. Today our new lesson in term 1 is Ali and the innkeeper. In this lesson we have two main characters. The first person is Ali and the second person is the innkeeper. Who is Ali? Ali is a beggar. Who is innkeeper? Actually, what is meant by inn? Inn means shop. Inn means shop. Okay, innkeeper means he is the owner of the shop. Innkeeper is a owner of the shop. Okay, now let us go to the lesson. In this lesson we have two sections, ma. In this lesson we have two sections. Okay, now we have discussed the section 1. Okay. It was a cold winter's day. It was a cold winter's day. Winter's day means it was very cool area on that place. It was very cool area. As always, Ali was dreaming of a hot meal. As always, Ali was dreaming of a hot meal. Ali was thinking about that hot meal. Hot meal means he wanted some lunch because of he was a beggar, you know. See all of you? In this page we have 4 pictures. In this page we have 4 pictures. In this first picture, who are they? Is the first person is Ali and the second person is unknown person. Unknown person gave some food to Ali. Okay, unknown person says, here, please take this. Here, please take this. And next Ali says, bless you, good man. Bless you, good man. Because of he don't have any money. Unknown person gave some food. He have some food. Okay. Next one. Ali went to the nearest inn. Ali went to the nearest some shop. Okay, all of you. The innkeeper was rude. Rude means very angry person. The innkeeper was very angry. So, who is the innkeeper in this picture? He is a innkeeper. Innkeeper says, shoo, no beggars, move along quickly. Shoo, no beggars, move along quickly. The innkeeper said, first you have to get out from my shop. Said to Ali. Okay, next Ali thinking. Now Ali thought himself. Ali thought to himself. Ali thinking about some soup. Ali thinking about some soup. What he was thinking? If only I could have a bowl of soup. If only I could have a bowl of soup, then I would have a full meal. Then I would have a full meal. Actually నా దగ్గర బ్రెడ్ ఉంది కదా, దానితో పాటు ఒక బౌల్ ఆఫ్ సూప్ అంటే నాకు ఫుల్ మీల్ ఉన్నట్టు ఉంటుంది కదా అని చెప్పేసి తను అనుకుంటాడనమాట. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ Ali's stomach growled with hunger. Ali's stomach growled with hunger. His stomach was very hungry. Growled means some sounds in his stomach because of he was very hungry. Now let us go to the 4th picture. In this 4th picture, I will hold this loaf over the steam. Maybe the flavor of this delicious soup will soak into the bread. యాక్చువల్లీ తన దగ్గర మరి ఓన్లీ బ్రెడ్డే ఉంది కదా, బ్రెడ్తో పాటు సూప్ అనేది తను ఇవ్వలేదు. కనీసం ఆ సూప్ యొక్క స్టీమ్ అనేది సరే బ్రెడ్కి పడినట్లయితే నేను మొత్తం ఫుడ్ తినేసి ఉన్న ఫీలింగ్లో ఉండేవాడిని కదా అని చెప్పేసి తను అనుకుంటాడనమాట. ఓకే, లవ్ యూ. నౌ టర్న్ యువర్ పేజ్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. The innkeeper howled in anger. Howled means very shouted. The innkeeper shouted to Ali because of he wanted some smell to soup only. Then innkeeper saying, you soup stealer, you soup stealer. Stealer means thief. You have a soup thief. Okay. Then Ali saying, sir, I am not thief. I was only trying to capture the flour from the steam. Sir, I am not thief. I am only trying to getting from smell. So next, the cunning innkeeper suddenly had an idea. Cunning means it's a typically mentality. Cunning means it's a typically mentality. A cunning innkeeper suddenly had an idea. The innkeeper had some idea. What was the idea? See, you need to pay for the smell of my soup. You need to pay for the smell of my soup. You have to pay the smell of my soup. Okay, then Ali is saying, but sir, I have no money to pay. But sir, I have no money to pay. I don't have any money, you know already. Now coming to section 2 and in previous section 1, we know the discussion between Ali and the innkeeper. And now the story moved to court. Now let us go to the section 2. Angered by Ali's reply, the innkeeper dragged him to court. Who is angered? The innkeeper. The innkeeper taken forcefully him to court. Najruddin Hodja was the judge. Who is the judge of this court? Najruddin Hodja. He listened patiently to the innkeeper's complaint. After finishing his complaint, Najruddin Hodja asked for, "Are you demanding payment for the smell of your soup?" The innkeeper replied, "Yes, I want the payment for the smell of my soup." Najruddin Hodja took out of a bag of coins and gave it a good shake. Najruddin Hodja taken a bag of coins and gave some shake. Everyone could hear the clinking of the coins. Next, Najruddin Hodja taken some decision. All right, here is your payment. The sound of these coins in exchange for the smell of your soup. Now the court is dismissed. So Najruddin Hodja said tit for tatly. If money is needed for the flavor, then sound of coins is enough to pay.